If you're a complete beginner and you want to start making money online using AI, this video will show you exactly how to do it step by step. The best part is, you don't need any experience and you don't need to spend any money to get started. All you need is your phone or laptop and consistency. First, go to ChatGPT. This is a powerful AI tool that can generate content for you in seconds. What you want to do is ask ChatGPT to create social media posts for businesses. For example, type, "Create 10 engaging Instagram posts for a small business." Within seconds, it will generate high-quality content that businesses can actually use to grow their pages. Now here's where the opportunity is. Go to Instagram and search for small businesses. Look for pages that are not posting regularly or have low engagement. These businesses need help growing, but most of them don't have time to create content. That's where you come in. Send them a simple message. Keep it short and direct. You can say, "Hi, I noticed your page and I'd love to help you grow by creating engaging posts for you." You don't need to overcomplicate it. Start small. Offer to create 10 posts for $10 or $20 just to get your first client. The goal is to build trust and get results. Once you start getting responses and delivering value, you can increase your price. Many businesses are willing to pay monthly for content creation. That means you can turn this into consistent income. For example, if you have 5 clients paying you $50 every month, that's already $250 monthly. And the more clients you get, the more you earn. You can also increase your value by offering captions, hashtags, and content ideas. All of this can be generated using AI in minutes. To make your service even better, you can use Canva to turn the text into simple, attractive visual posts. This makes your offer more professional and allows you to charge higher prices. The key to success here is consistency. Reach out to at least 10 businesses every single day. Some people will ignore you, and that's normal. But some will reply, and that's all you need. Once you land your first client, everything becomes easier. You gain confidence, you improve your process, and you start seeing real results. Don't wait for the perfect time. Start now with what you have. Use AI to your advantage, take action daily, and build your first online income stream. And if you want more simple and practical ways to make money with AI, make sure you subscribe and follow this channel.